Hello, my dear children. Hope you are all safe and sound. I am Srija teacher. Here we are going to discuss about Introduction to Computer. That is Module 1 of your Crash Course Commerce. In this module, we are going to discuss about what is computer and its definition, what is the meaning of computing, and what do you mean by system, and what are the types of computers based on the size and its working. Also, the evolution of computers. I know you are all familiar with the definition of computer. Computer is an electronic machine that accepts information, processes it according to specific instructions, and provide the results as new information. In smaller classes, you all learned about what is a computer. This is the basic definition of a computer. Computer is an electronic machine. Electronic means it is made up of silicon, beryllium, lead and mercury like materials that can access the data in the form of digital. Digitalized data means a combination of zeros and ones. Why we are using zeros and ones in electronic machines? All the electronic circuits having only two stages, that is closed or open. Closed is represented by on and open is represented by off. Likewise, 0 is represented as closed and 1 can be represented as opened. Every electronic system or the circuit having only two stages, on or off, that can be represented by either 0 or 1. Do you know what is the meaning of computing? The process of utilizing computer technology to complete a task. Computing may involve computer hardware and software, but must involve some form of computer system. Computing includes designing, developing, building hardware and software systems, processing, structuring and managing various kinds of informations like images, audios, videos or animated medias, doing scientific researches on or with computers, and entertainment media. Computing means the utilization of computer technology to complete a task, to achieve a task. What do you mean by a system? A system of things working together as a part of mechanism. According to the Cambridge Dictionary, the system is defined as a set of connected things or devices that operate together. We can say the expansion of system as like this: S for saving, Y for you, S for stress, T for time, E for energy, M for money. Together, a system saves you stress, time and energy, also the money. Coming to the next topic in this module, types of computers based on the size. There are 6 types of computers. Based on the size, it is classified as microcomputers, mini computers, personal computers, supercomputers, laptop and tablet. All the systems can work with their own features. Like micro, mini and personal computers, it doesn't have the mobility, or it couldn't be taken while we are traveling. But laptop and tablet having that feature of mobility. Whereas supercomputers are used as server computers or mainframe computers that are equipped with high quality hardwares and softwares to process any kind of information. While we are discussing the type of computer, we should have to discuss the computer classifications which are based on the working of computers. The types of computers on the basis of principle of constructions are 3 types: analog computers, digital computers and hybrid computers. Analog computers always deals with analog signals like waves. It doesn't process any digital form informations. Whereas digital computers can process only digital datas. The datas in the form of digits. Whereas in hybrid computers, it can process both analog and digital type of data. So, the computers can be classified on the basis of its working as 3, that are analog computers, digital computers and hybrid computers. Coming to the 4th topic in this module, evolution of computers. What do you mean by evolution? Evolution is nothing but the innovation and developing period of computers. Here we are going to discuss about the types of computers which are developed in various years. As we all know about, the first computer is ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Then IBM mainframe computers were developed. Then computers with the softwares. Then nowadays we are using World Wide Web and social medias for communications and sharing informations. Look at the technological evolution of computers. From 1950s, the first computer generated. Then 1970s, mainframe based computers. 1980s, client server model, that is web page and web browser, web servers. Internet based computers in 1990s. And social computing on 2000 onwards. In this picture, I would like to give the images of various kinds of machines developed in years. In 2500 BC, abacus was developed. 200 BC, Antikythera mechanism was developed. In 1840s, difference machine, that is for comparison and calculation, was developed. in early 1940s, wartime analog computers are developed. They can execute waveforms signals. Then the first computer developed in the year of 1940s, that is ENIAC. The first name of ENIAC is SS. And in 1950s, the mainframe computers with a large size hardwares was developed. In late 1950s, the first generation mini computers developed. Then in 1960s, second generation mini computers were developed. In 1980s, first generation personal computers generated. Then on 1990s, second generation PCs were developed. In between all these years, the computer's structure, size, and its processing time, the input-output devices, all were have many features. In each evolution, the size of the computer becomes smaller and the processing speed, memory capacity become huge while comparing with the older versions. Nowadays, we are having pocket computers, mobile computers, wireless devices. We all are having in present days true mobile computing devices in our hands with a high processing speed and maximum memory space. Hope you all understand the topics which we discussed, that is what is computer and its definition, what do you mean by computing, any technology that uses computers for achieving a task is known as computing, what is a system, and what are the types of systems based on the size and its working, and the last topic, evolution. Thank you.